From ECD Auto Design, the team that has become the world's largest restoration and customization brand for Land Rover Defenders, Range Rover Classics, and Jaguar E-Types, comes a brand new, world-renowned product line. An American tradition known for its unmistakable style, raw power, and exhilarating performance, the Ford Mustang has been celebrated for 60 years. From the moment they roared onto the scene in 1964, Mustangs captured the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide as they were acclaimed for their iconic design. With their sleek profiles, distinctive fastback silhouette, and signature tri-bar taillights, these cars exuded an unparalleled sense of charisma and charm. Since its aggressive design of the early models, Mustangs have always been synonymous with style and sophistication. From the unmistakable roar of their V8 engines to the precise handling that ensures an exhilarating driving experience, Mustangs embody the spirit of American muscle like no other car. Whether tearing down the open road or dominating the racetrack, these machines command respect and admiration wherever they go. At ECD, we take immense pride in launching our first American muscle car. But this isn't just about the car, it's about the people behind it. Each Mustang will be built right here in America by skilled artisans who share our passion for excellence. Our team, embodied by the spirit of American pride, will be meticulously crafting each classic Mustang with unparalleled attention to detail. With their unwavering dedication and expertise, our America Strong team ensures that every Mustang that rolls out of our workshop is a testament to American ingenuity and craftsmanship. Just like our renowned Land Rover and Jaguar restorations, every classic Mustang from ECD is a masterpiece in its own right. We believe in the luxury of customization, ensuring that each car is tailor-made to our clients' exact specifications. From the powertrain to the upholstery, every aspect of your Mustang can be personalized to reflect your unique style and preferences. From the minds at ECD that have perfected customization with over 2 million possible configurations on each vehicle, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life, whether you crave raw power or refined elegance. So, join us on this journey as we redefine what it means to drive an American classic, the Mustang.